Particle theory affects our experiment by using the three states of matter. Hydrogen peroxide is HO, or just water with one oxygen. The oxygen in the liquid wants to become a gas, and then when it connects with another oxygen, they attract each other. So, the yeast helps the oxygen find its other oxygen and become a gas. When it's a gas, it moves around more and makes energy. This is basically how particle theory affects our experiment in general, as you will soon see.
So today's project we will using the food coloring red and green. We need to have hydrogen peroxide, 3% of it, to make sure that it will react. We need to use yeast to react with the elephant toothpaste, and we need to have dish soap.
Well, firstly we pour a cup or some amount of hydrogen peroxide solution, which is our solution is a 3% solution, into the container, which to our case we didn't have a breaker, so we used a glass instead. And then after that we pour in the dishwashing soap into the mixture. Later on we add a few drops of food coloring, and the food coloring we got today is red and green, so we add those as well. We have to boil the water and then make it warm, and then pour a package of yeast into a cup, a mixing cup, and then we mix the yeast with the warm water, and then we mix it around until we get a good solution, and then we pour that solution into the solution we had in the first place, which is the hydrogen peroxide with the dish soap and the coloring, and finally create the chemical reaction that we see.
This experiment shows the catalyzed decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide, or H2O2, decomposes into water and oxygen gas, which is in the form of foam, but normally the reaction is too slow to be easily perceived or measured.